Obi send me message. Asema Wakan was a melodies. Ghana is not fighting coronavirus now. What Ghana is fighting now is stupidity and foolishness. Now, the Pakoneka has said, no, me sure so the person is being harsh, but a yanakre. A tier 4, and there I may say, a 12 April 2020. And there I may say 12 April 2020, no. The recorded positive coronavirus cases are at Ghana. 566. Yes, 566. Now, out of that 566, no, 80 wu. Nkrofobe 4 pe. And I say, I recover. Not to say, Ghana, we are not doing well. We are not doing well. The cases are rising up sharply. And sheni year. It's here for the ever 2 year or my way muno. We'll be in car said be born in 2 years. But I'm sheni year. Adentia and I'm a woeful say. Adentia and I'm a share as America. Say Ghana, we are not yet fighting coronavirus, but we are fighting foolishness and stupidity. And then I know say, a year 12 April no. A year Easter Sunday. Na send ya Ghana for Easter bia etino. Ye nina maye bi pen. Me kai embra me wo SS tema Easter yako Titanic Beach. E ya dia Ghana for ye pe Easter e ya ne yakwa Kogu Beach. And then Easter Sunday coronavirus Ghana lockdown. Obia enti na fia ye kan na nkrofo akwa bodompem ewo ye Choco Beach wa Accra. Sabi mi nim se beach wono mo koji wo munni ana wo se ewo ho mi buafu. Mi di atema mesre because eben na mobi jimie so sabi wo bi foolishness so ama yare no obo se wo bi a eni kwan se yare na ekoka ne kra na akwa no. Adan na wo man we ye bibisa. Ye so wi ani ye bo aban echi ba yen Ghana fo na nkasa de ye na nye. Easter Sunday the fact say Accra Choco Accra. The fact say Accra lockdown. What forget it? Akwa jina Choco Beach ho. Say wo koji wunni ana koji wo se ewo ho. Coronavirus aba just say ekumi nkrofo sabi ade you ready? Hey, Ghana Charlie yesterday. Hey, some Ghanaians really are stressing us. Just say, yeah, they be ya fatu ya honso because for man or because for God and for country. Ya fatu ya honso say they be ya be bo asem we ho the rule. Stay at home no. O say Easter Sunday, Oko Beach, akwaje den. Oko Beach, akwa den wo ho. Iti ya wie kosuru Ghana for muhu. Just yesterday, they were around 400. And then 566. 566 in a single day. Metumiato say more than 100 people. In a single day, more than 100 people are tested positive. Yare we ya wie bia. E sha se kosuru sana. Ubo say the next time Obere na 2,000, na 10,000. Na afei the death cases na ekosoro. Adan ne yesa. Just stay at home. Easter Sunday a wo beach, wo kwaje dan e wo ho. Beach na wo no, wo kwa akwaje dan. Adan na Ghana for kra, to say ya sem kra ye din sei. Adan na Ghana for ebi mo mi nim. I don't understand. Say you stubborn so say you dey on. And no be catch me say, "Hey, Ghana pound. No or say your market." And that Ashama market and also ya different way am dey bremo. Ashama market you closing it down because you say e 24 wo mo wo ho. Sa social distancing na ye ken. Wo mo so sa wo mo forget it. And na dey be wo market to a send ya wo mo tia no mo te. And then you akwa close Ashama market down. E ho na madam for be sending me car say Ghana ngasa won. A military rule, democracy na mbwayen. You see, things like this, no, we don't encourage people to say. But say nyama be say eba so a, na tre say in someone nkrofo e ka ne san e ya ye ne kre. Inti susuan pa asa na nka ye military rule. E na nka soldier fo na edi ye so a, na nka Ghana ni bi benya kukudro say wo ko eye beach ho. Choco beach ho. Easter Sunday say Easter Sunday ti Sunday your friends say Sunday bia ye ko beach. Inti no ana Sunday po Easter bia ye ko beach. Inti no Easter Sunday ye ko beach, forgetting about coronavirus. Aden ye tisa. America coronavirus sha ase Donald Trump sha ase say wo di dia, but once the first coronavirus by na Donald Trump e ka so akoye say Qatar bi keke enche ebeko. Donald Trump who say yes serious na afi was sha ase say wo taking it serious. Sa time na Donald Trump e ka so Qatar keke ebeko no me ka say American so sa beach bi na holiday o se den nkofo akwa ko go beach ho say weekend o se den o makwa ko go beach ho ye interview omo say o forget it coronavirus. Yes wo mo ko beach no sa time no wo mu ni na almost all of them wo mu do fie almost all of them na afi wo mu nya coronavirus no. And the number of people those people will infect on their way no eno kra na yen kan ye. We need to be very responsible in this country. Dia me can say ebi mo wo mo trim ayo mo say coronavirus no enkum bi before Ghana ni bia wo wa abrochire wasane audio bi emame adan coronavirus yi enkum bi before e wana me stop no say masa ignorance e na wo share. Ghana ni bia wo America ende bia wo nim no wo New York no bisa no New York coronavirus no ekum ebi before even more than whites. Coronavirus na esi wo New York no ekum bi before crashing embrofofo no. Inti sa wo te Ghana ha na wo still o say coronavirus no enkum bi before coronavirus na enye say ya, then I don't know. Say ya grobi na wo di o say den minim aden na yesa aten ene yesa wo man we obi oto ho anadwen aye ne say me de me young yare ne yesi enkum young people yare ne yesi enkum young people nti me de me young yare no minya me ho beto me ne kre e bia wo ye young wapomuden e wo ho ho oden immune system ye den e bia yare no echiwa you can survive. But are you thinking of nipakro obetumi dia akwa sign no e bia na wo ne wo papa ana wo nana bi e na tifie wono no want to me ni immune system no want to me e bia na wo ne akola bi kra e na tifie uni obi asebe wo ye wo age mate nanso wo yare uni obi a wo hypertension uni obi a high blood pressure won so won ebia wo bi wo hokra wo yare e wo ne honam nimu but enyam pie ba abonten ye yare we ekoka na obonse nipa ko na akwa inti wo de you are just being selfish thinking of yourself. So what of the person you can infect? Have you thought of that? Adi ye lockdown aden lockdown Wakwa jina choco beach wo say wo jiden. In the first place, if you are responsible no if we are all responsible even if at the end any lockdown cra no because you are responsible but who said dabi me kwa metumi nya yare no ntime nko muntie me ye because you are responsible no obekasa me kwa yare no metumi nya ntime nko obetina wo baby. That is if you are responsible. The fact say yare aba. And the second fact, say amanpenyi ababa be declare lockdown. Inti no say one, wadwen anye dwuma say yare aba na minti na fie kra na. Second one na wo manpenyi ama lockdown wo hu nyansa say lockdown wo ho ntime nko choko. Wakwa ko jina choko beach jiden. Me kan esi mi didi atem but won ngrofo bi wo ho a e wo say odi omo atem na ewura omo sunsun mu. Because Jimmy, excuse my language. Ukoji wunni ana wo se e wo beach ho. Mokra just say ya we by Ghana na we didn't am I hear wo ah oti ho pa say ah into your mind way pa are we serious at all? There were some people think, some people they are taught like would you just say ah into Ghana no, like are people serious? Are we serious? Me boyfu. Until my comment box in my for me that say.